At Global View, we know the worst regret you face on your deathbed is not that you wish you had more stuff, it's that you spent so much of your life worrying. We believe you deserve to be worry-free. We can't get rid of every worry in your life, but we can get rid of the monkeys off your back that keep you from reaching your goals. The first monkey is conflicts of interest. We run away from conflicts of interest by not accepting payment from any parties other than our clients. We don't get paid by insurance firms. We don't get paid by securities firms or banks, or investment companies or mutual funds. We're only paid by our clients. Second, the investment monkey. We believe you should invest like the masters, fundamentals like a moat, and proven factors like value, quality, and growth, not just in the United States, but around the world in stocks and bonds. Next, we minimize costs by using an in-house low-cost stock portfolio or fundamental indexing where appropriate so that your total cost may be less than the average mutual fund. Monkey 3 is coaching to eliminate performance chasing and return regret. We get to know you using psychology and statistics. This helps us understand how you're suited to invest. Then we can coach to the expected volatility you will receive based on your goals and your exposure to risk. Finally, we get rid of the choice monkey. We help you decide where to save, where to get rid of debt, how much to save, when to retire, when to take Social Security, what strategies work best, which important life choices you should take and make sacrifices, risk versus return, taxes, etc. We make sure you craft and implement an estate planning strategy to make this part of your life worry-free and get all the worry monkeys off your back so you can have a comfortable, worry-free retirement. Thank you.